Pardon my mess. Uh, it's a cluttered mind that has a cluttered desk, and my mind is always cluttered. I'm doing sharpening, I'm doing leather, I'm working on guns. But for setting snaps, this is what setting snaps and rivets and stuff. I had this little. So, as I was saying, I would set my rivets here on this little itty bitty anvil that's attached to my vise. And boy, I really needed something else. And I was looking around Harbor Freight, because I'm always at Harbor Freight, and I found this. And so for 20 bucks with a 20% off coupon, I was able to pick up this anvil. And this is exactly what I need to set rivets and things like that. Hold on, let me pull it out of this box. So here's the box in case you want to get one of these things. Cast iron anvil. And this thing is not light. And what I like about it is it's got a large working surface. So that's going to be plenty of room for what I'm doing, because obviously I'm not forging steel and making iron stuff, but this will be good for setting snaps and rivets and things like that. And it's got plenty of surface space. So if you're in the market for a steady surface to help you when you're setting rivets and snaps and things like that, I would take a look at this Harbor Freight anvil.